Hey everyone, so if you remember this vehicle, we built these awesome set of headers for it probably about a year ago, and they've been hot rodding this thing around, cruising it, driving it, and unfortunately it's just a little bit too loud. I mean, having these dumps right here, right at the cab, they have been driving it a little bit more, and like it's just buzzing my ears and smell and all that stuff. So we're actually going to be extending the exhaust, and we're just going to come right out the back here. We got a bunch of material from our buddies over at Stainless Bros. We got some tubing, we got some pie cuts, we got a new 90 degree that we're going to make a new sick dump out of. We have these pieces here, which are actually a hanger exhaust brace that you can just weld onto the side. We'll be very interested to see how that works. You know, we got some V-bands, some hangers, and then for the mufflers, we decided to use these from Burns Stainless. These are their ultra quiet two-stage muffler. You can see here that very complex system, but nonetheless extra badass. So a lot of baffling. What's cool about it is if you needed to and or wanted to, it's a removable baffle. That's why it's called a two-stage muffler. So very curious to see how those are going to work. Very excited to be trying out Burns Stainless. First time using some of their products. I've always heard great things, so real pumped to be trying out their mufflers. Anyway, we're going to get to work. been impressed. These Burton Stainless Stage 2 Ultra Quiet mufflers, I like them. I give them a thumbs up. Give it a Hutch's thumbs up. They sound really good. You know, they sound good at idle. Definitely picks up once you rev it out. And there is an option to make it a little louder. So I'd be curious to see what that is, but we're not gonna mess with that right now. That about wraps up this project. Shout out to Stainless Bros and Burton Stainless for making awesome products. There we have it. We'll see you next time.